You know how some people just step out looking like premium Korean glass skin cousin, right? Everything about their skin is on fleek. Their skin is 10 over 10 and it's nothing. Meanwhile, your own skin is still again between dullness and patchy. I used to think something was wrong with my skin. Something serious was wrong with my skin until I met this. Because the way this advanced Korean face and body combo works, it has no business being this affordable. Because this set is affordable and it works. And yes, giving this type of sharp glow, I am not joking when I say if you want a brighter, smoother radiance and even complexion, this set might be one faithful product lineup your skin has been waiting for. So what are you waiting for? Go grab this set. December is around the corner. Today we're talking about a full body routine that people have been whispering about on the street of skincare. This is a full body set. This is not just one lotion. This is not just any out lotion. When you recommend a lotion to people, right? And they start sending voice notes saying my skin don't dey glow. People don't they ask me waiting and they use on my skin, and you'll be like, oh really? There is a joy that comes with that, right? And you decided to pay more attention to that set. So let me break this down gently. This set has 4 main players. The Bright and Fair Body Gel Wash, the Bright and Dewy Radiance Body Lotion, the Fairest Body Oil, and the Brighter Face Cream. Now you see that from head to toe, you're getting all the complete sets you need. A full squad, face and body, everybody gets attention. Nothing is left out here. Let's realize what is inside these products and how to use it, how to use them, and what people are saying about this products, the results you're going to get. Let's start with the body wash. See, when you see Bright and Fair on a bottle, you will just think, oh, it is promising everyone on it and it's not going to do anything. But my darling, calm down. This one actually behaves. It does everything it promised on the bottle. It's a gentle wash that cleans without striping your skin. You know that squeaky dry feelings after bathing, right? Like the one that make your skin feel like it's begging for water. The one that make your skin feel old, like your skin gets tired. This wash does the opposite. It softens as it cleans your skin and it starts the brightening process slowly, gradually. It's not rush, but the result is amazing. It helps with dullness, uneven tone, dark spots, all those dark spots, that stuff. So it helps with dullness, uneven skin tone, and if you have dark spots, it's going to help. If you have stubborn body hyperpigmentation that can make your skin look tired, no amount of lotion you apply, your skin still feel dry. I love the most is that it has mild exfoliating and soothing ingredients. So your skin starts fresh even before the cream enters the conversation. Your skin is already like glowing. It's already giving you that beautiful skin. It brightens your skin and hydrates your skin at the same time. Now let's talk about the Bright and Dewy Radiance Body Lotion. You see this lotion right here? This one is the main character in this set. When you meet a body lotion, when you meet a lotion that does not just brighten your skin, but also moisturizes your skin at the same times, like hydrates your skin, moisturize your skin at the same, to the point where your skin looks like you drink 2 liters of water every 1 hour. That is the result you get here. That is the kind of result you get with this set. The lotion combines brightening agents like vitamin C, niacinamide, and plant-based extracts. See, this lotion comes with deep moisture ingredients, and if you look at the label, you will see things like cruelty free, paraben free, vegan free, and that is what we love because it's lightweight, so your skin drinks it up. Your skin drinks it up quickly, and if your skin usually reacts to harsh creams, this one is gentle on the skin, so it's not going to be harsh on your skin. The benefit of this lotion is not even just brightening your skin, it is the glow that comes with it that I love. The finish, that soft radiance that makes your skin look yummy, that give you this flawless glowing skin. When they say 10 over 10 minus nothing, right? I love that. It helps fade hyperpigmentation and even out your skin complexion over time. That is the real deal. Don't rush it. It's not going to be overnight. not by force, just steady improvements, and you need to be consistent with it. Now let's talk about the Fairest Body Oil. You see this oil, I love it, chef kiss. This one is the reason people start looking expensive, even when they just going out to get pure water. Like you see somebody, they're just looking expensive. It brightens, but in a subtle, refined way. No rush. You know how body oils can sometimes feel too greasy on the skin, right? This one absorbs nicely. It's going to leave your skin that it's going to give your skin that healthy, luminous finish. It contains natural oil like jojoba oil, argan oil, and rosehip oil. So that nourish the skin, brighten the skin. It has this brightening. The brightening property comes from gentle plant extract. So it's not that aggressive bleaching vibes. It's gentle on the skin. It tackles dark spots, dullness, uneven texture, and dryness. So if you know you have dry skin, go get this. And if you like mixing oil with your lotion to activate the glow, this one is perfect. But you can also use it alone at night for extra shine. Like you use it in the night and use your lotion in the morning. So the bright face cream is small but mighty. This one targets dark spots, dull face, hyperpigmentation, sun damage, or uneven skin tone, acne scars. It has vitamin C, niacinamide, and kojic extract. You can see the powerful ingredients that this set contain, right? These ingredients are usually seen in Korean brightening products because they help increase radiance without stressing the skin barrier. So it's not going to damage your skin barrier. Very gentle on the skin. It's also moisturizes so well. You can use it morning and night. Just make sure you pair it with sunscreen, please. It's important. During the day, pair it with sunscreen. So the brightening effect works properly because sunscreen is going to help the products glow your skin. So let me tell you what people I recommend this set to have been saying about it. Just like they say, feedback don't like. Feedback does not lie. Someone said notice changes in 2 weeks. The other person said in her first month, her skin looks more uniform. Very good. Another person even said her legs and arms finally matches for the first time in years. Imagine that, right? I was just laughing like a baby. The struggle is real. Everybody wants to glow. Another person said the glow sneak up on you. One day you just look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, who is this person? Who am I seeing in the mirror? And you know that kind of thing when you're glowing, when your skin starts glowing, you woke up one morning and you see your skin and you ask yourself again, like, who is this? Is this my skin? It has happened to me before. When I started using this set, I just I was not going out. I was just using it like that at home. And see, if I don't go out, I don't like look mirror like that. Even when I apply my product, I just apply it like that. When I passed through mirror, I saw my skin. I was asking myself what's happening. Like this sets changed the story of my skin. It gave me this glowing, well moisturized skin. See, I used to tell people that if your skin is dry, you're not going to get glow. So if you know you have a very dry skin, you've been applying stuff on your skin and they don't. So people love that the products do not give that harsh bleaching results. No redness, no random patches, just clean skin. No burning sensation, just give you a clean glue looking skin. Just smooth, gradual brightness, and honestly, that is the best way to brighten your skin. Slow and steady windy rays. Let me give you the correct routine so you don't miss the glow your skin deserves. Give your skin what your skin deserves and you get results. Once, if you want to use the body wash, use the body wash with sponge or exfoliating gloves. If you have a good scrub, add it 2 to 3 times a week, not every day. Please let your skin breathe. Don't overdo it. After bathing, pat dry, not scrub your skin, not rub your skin. Then apply the lotion while your skin is still slightly damp. Please follow up with the body oil on the areas you want extra shines, like your legs, your shoulder, your arms, your chest. For the face, please cleanse your face. Apply your toner, your serum, if you have one. If you have one, then use the brighter face cream and sunscreen. See, every morning, this one is not even no negotiation here. Just use it that way. Now let me be honest with you, because I don't do unrealistic expectations. Calm down. This set will brighten you. It will even out your skin tone. It will give you that clean uniform look. No stress, no dark spots, no hyperpigmentation, but it will not transform you from dark to light, or do that 10 shade in 2 days. Don't expect that here. That is not safe. And that is not the intention of this formulation. What it will do is to make your skin, your natural complexion, the best version of itself. Smoother, fresher, glowier, softer, and more uniform skin. And people will start asking you what you're using on your skin, because your glow is going to like be obvious. People will start giving you that expense, start getting that expensive. People will start asking you what you're using, because your skin will start looking more expensive. You see that 10 over 10 minus nothing results, you start getting it. If you are trying to build a routine that works head to toe, please, this set is a good starting point for you. It is simple, affordable, and compared to a lot of Korean inspired routine out there, and this glow is consistent. This is not the glow that you glow today, tomorrow you're no longer glowing. If you want a brighter, even complexion, get the face and body sets and add a good scrub to it so that your results can be massive. Your skin will thank you, and honestly, you will start catching compliments that make you feel like, that will make you blush. Compliments that will give you this feeling. Who doesn't love to hear those sweet words like, oh, what are you using on your skin? Your skin is glowing. I think every one of us love to hear those sweet compliments. And that's the kind of compliments you get if you're using these sets. If you know your skin is dry, you have a very dry skin, you've used a lot of lotions, none work on your skin, just go grab this set. It's not harsh on the skin, it's affordable, it's gentle, and the result is going to wow you. What else are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Just go grab this. And please don't forget that your healthy skin is my business. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please join this family. Let's grow together. Let's grow together, because here it is healthy skin over white skin. If it's not healthy, we are not involved. And I would love to see you in the next